Good evening, Ma'am MJ. So my name is PJ Transeman, B93. So this is my presentation in your activity, which is a midterm activity too. Like we use Python function definitions and loops. So it should be that this is the output of your activity. So here's my code. So as I present my code, then first this is my code. Then I try to run and debug. So this is the output of my code. So the pattern 1 is um, this one, then the pattern 2 is this one, then the pattern 3 is this one, then the pattern 4 is a numerical pyramid, this one, then pattern 5 diamond, this one, then the pattern 6 is like hourglass, this one. So further fun, just want to explain the code. So the first things first is the um, div function div pattern 1. So print pattern 1, then the first one is we use for loops, for I in range 1 to 6. So this is for, so the first part is to increasing pattern like 1 to 5, then I is for number of rows, then for j in range 1, I plus 1 is, this is for j is for represent the number that I print in each rows, then print j and blank space, then so in this line, so print numbers from 1 up until 2 for I with the same line. So we have here the print, then this is for new line for each row, then we have here also the print, and a blank line is for a separations. So the second part is the for I in range 5 0 minus 1. So more like this is for decreasing pattern from 5 down to 1. So for j in range 1, I plus 1, so print j and blank space. So in this in this area is to print numbers from 1 to 4i to I. So yes, so this is the pattern 1. So we have here the pattern 2. So the pattern 2 is like functions. So the first part of the pattern 2 is right align like increasing pattern. So this is the for I in range 1 to 6, then print blank space, then times open and close open parenthesis 5 minus I and blank space I. So in this line is to print the spaces like una para ma-write, like print the spaces like una like murag siya kuan para ma right align, then print j, then for I j in range 1, I plus 1 is print numbers from 1 to I, then print j and blank space, then print, then print. So the second part is for I in range 5 0 minus 1. So right align decreasing pattern, so print blank space, then 5 minus I, then end is equals to blank space. Then so in this area is to space for alignment, then for J in range 1 I plus 1, then print J and blank space, then print. So this is the part 2, pattern 2. So we have here the def pattern 3. So in this case the def pattern 3 is for I in range 1 to 6. So in this line, so it's a top half left aligned increasing 1 to 5, then for J in range 1 I plus 1, then print J and so in this line is to print numbers from 1 to I, from 1 to the integers that we input, like this for loops. So so we have here the print. So we have here so the second part is to for I so the second part is for I in range 5 0 minus 1. So the bottom half, so right align decreasing 5 to 1. So print blank space times 5 minus I and is equals to blank space, then for J. So in this area is to space for para ma-push ang numbers pa right. Then for J, then here for J in range 1 I plus 1, print J and equals blank space, then print added for a new line. So we have here the def pattern 4. So we have here a print pattern 4. It is more like a numerical pyramid, so that's why I input a numerical pyramid. So the def pattern 4 is the first part is for I in range 1 n plus 1. So print blank space, then times n minus 1, and so in this area is to is for print spaces to make it center the pyramid. Then for J in range 1 I plus 1, print I plus 1, then print J and equals to blank space. So in this area is 2 ascending numbers from 1 to I, and then another for loop for J in range I minus 1 0 minus 1, print J and equals. So in this area is 2 descending numbers from I minus 1 down to 1. So we print then for a new line for each rows. So the second to the last, the def pattern, the pattern 5. So print pattern 5 diamond. So since as shown in the picture, so it's more like diamond, so that's why I put a diamond. Then so the pattern 5 is represent for I in range 1 to 5. So in this section, in this area in this line of code is, so this is the continuation of my presentation. So the def pattern 5. So um in this line is to for I range 1 to 5 is, so it's more like top and middle part sa diamond, like from 1 to 4. Then we have here print blank space, then 4 minus I, then end is equals to blank space, then this 4 spaces for the center alignment, then string print string I plus blank space, then times 2 times I is equals to 1. So this line of code is to print numbers I multiple times for the form of the diamond. So for the bottom, so for the bottom part sa diamond, so the 4i in range 5 to 8, 5 8. Then so in this line of code is to present the bottom part sa diamond like 5 to 7, then print blank space times I minus 4 and is equals to blank space, then this for the alignment in the bottom, then print string I plus blank space, then times 2 times open parenthesis 7 minus I close parenthesis plus 1, then 1. So this in this line of code is to show the print number I multiple times. So the last one is the pattern 6, the last pattern. So def pattern 6 is to print 6 hourglass, no? So it's more like the pattern 6 is more like the hourglass, so that's why I input an hourglass here. So in the first part is to 4i in range 5 0 minus 1, then so in this line of code is top half sa hourglass, then 5 down to 1, then print blank space times 5 minus 1 and blank space. Then so in this line is to spaces para sa form and spaces para sa ma-form ang hourglass nga shape, then print string I plus blank space, then times 2 times I minus 1. So in this code is to print the number I multiple times again. Then so in the bottom part, so 4i in range 2 6. So in this this code is to bottom half hourglass 2 up to 5. So print blank space times 5 minus I, then end blank space, then print string I plus blank space times 2 times I minus 1 versus. So this is the last pattern, then we call that then we have here our definition main. So we call the pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, pattern 4, but up until 2, pattern 6. Then if name then is equals to main, then print main. So this is the output. So this is the output. This is the pattern 1, then the pattern 2, then the pattern 3, then the pattern 4 numerical pyramid, then the pattern 5 diamond, then the pattern 6 is more like an hourglass. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.